Bereshit, chapter 6. It happened, when men began to multiply on the surface of the ground, and daughters were born to them, that Elohim's sons saw that men's daughters were beautiful, and they took for themselves wives of all that they chose. Yahuwah said, My Ruach will not strive with man forever, because he also is flesh. Yet will his days be 120 years. The Nephilim were in the earth in those days, and also after that, when Elohim's sons came in to men's daughters. They bore children to them. Those were the mighty men who were of old, men of renown. Yahuwah saw that the wickedness of man was great in the earth, and that every imagination of the thoughts of his heart was only evil continually. Yahuwah was sorry that he had made man on the earth, and it grieved him in his heart. Yahuwah said, I will destroy man whom I have created from the surface of the ground, man, along with animals, creeping things, and birds of the sky, for I am sorry that I have made them. But Noach found favor in Yahuwah's eyes. This is the history of the generations of Noach. Noach was a righteous man, blameless among the people of his time. Noach walked with Elohim. Noach became the father of 3 sons, Shem, Ham, and Yefet. The earth was corrupt before Elohim, and the earth was filled with violence. Elohim saw the earth, and saw that it was corrupt, for all flesh had corrupted their way on the earth. Elohim said to Noach, The end of all flesh has come before me, for the earth is filled with violence through them. Behold, I will destroy them with the earth. Make an ark of gopher wood. You shall make rooms in the ark, and shall seal it inside and outside with pitch. This is how you shall make it. The length of the ark will be 300 cubits, its breadth 50 cubits, and its height 30 cubits. You shall make a roof in the ark, and you shall finish it to a cubit upward. You shall set the door of the ark in its side. You shall make it with lower, second, and third levels. I, even I, do bring the flood of waters on this earth, to destroy all flesh having the breath of life from under the sky. Everything that is in the earth will die. But I will establish my covenant with you. You shall come into the ark, you, your sons, your wife, and your sons' wives with you. Of every living thing of all flesh you shall bring 2 of every sort into the ark, to keep them alive with you. They shall be male and female. Of the birds after their kind, of the livestock after their kind, of every creeping thing of the ground after its kind, 2 of every sort shall come to you, to keep them alive. Take with you of all food that is eaten, and gather it to yourself, and it will be for food for you and for them. Thus Noach did. According to all that Elohim commanded him, so he did.